Hi everyone. So let's continue our class. Yesterday we have completed like a customer registration and also the customer login, right? So today let's see like how the customer login after the customer successfully login into their account. So he just go redirect the page, login page to customer homepage. So let me share the screen first. So to redirect the page, login page to home page, first of all, we need to have the customer home page, right? So first, for that purpose, what we'll do means we just create a new template HTML file, okay, and name as customer home. So here you just copy paste the admin home page. Okay. So we have created the admin home page, right? So you just copy paste this admin home page and paste here. And you need to change the header and customer header. So first of all, to change the customer header, first of all, we need to have the header, right? Customer header. So still now we didn't have the customer header. So just you create a HTML like name as customer header. Okay. And you just copy whole admin header in this and paste here. Okay, so here whatever headers we want to change, we can change here. Okay, so you just include this customer header in the customer home page. Okay, here you just need to include here. Okay, this is how we'll create the customer header and customer home HTML page. Okay, so to open this customer home page, what we'll need, we have to write the views, right? So how I'll write that? What is our function name? Customer home and also request return render request customer home dot html. So this is how we'll write the customer home views. Okay, and next what we'll need to do is we want to write the URLs, right? So just go to the URL and write the URL for this page. So run the server. You just open the customer login. So here what we have given the customer email and password. Let's check. So this is our table, right? So here we gave ram@gmail.com email and password as 123. Login. Here we got one error. Let me check that error. Okay, just wait. So here we used that get also, right? So here I want to use get. So here in our database we have two datas with the same email. So for that purpose, we got like this. So one customer will have only one time registration, right? So that we got the error. So to avoid that, what we'll do means we just change the views uh, what we'll do means we just do uh, here we should filter. Okay, if the email will match from the database to enter the email, we'll get the email and password with only first we'll get. Okay, just wait. So likewise we'll do the customer login. Okay, so somewhere we got error. Just wait. Filter. We not to do the filter. Huh. So after this is the customer home, right? So in the customer header, we need to remove all the things. Okay, means you should remove these two links, and here you just include the customer home. This is our customer home page. Okay, so this is how the page will be redirected. So that today let's discuss like only one customer can have the one registration, right? So here we are doing like the same customer has same email and he registered, right? So we should not do like that. So the only one customer should register at one time only. So for that purpose, we should write the duplications. So how we will write the duplications means, so let me show it. Hmm. Here in the customer register, so here what we should do means, here you just write like email equal to request dot post dot post dot get the email. The customer dot objects dot filter email equal to email exits. I want to message like a customer customer not customer email already exists. Return reminder request. Store dot HTML. To avoid the duplications, we have to write this code, okay? So sometimes the customer can can register two times with the same email, so that is not a correct process. So one customer can have only one time registration. So for that purpose, we'll use this duplications code, okay? So message message else customer form. So let's explain the duplicate checking code. So here we took like customer dot objects dot filter, right? So this is because like this way. So here. Hmm. So here we took like this, right? Customer dot objects dot filter email equal to email and exit. So this is because it can be checks, okay? So this can be checks whether the email already exists in the database or not. So, okay, if the email exists, if the email exists, it can be written as true. If the email not exists, it can be written as false. Okay, so like this, it can be tells this line. Okay, so this can be check whether this email is already registered or not. So just it can be checks to the go to the database, and it can be checks whether the email already exists or not. If the entered email and already before email are register same or not, it can be checks like that. So if the email already exists, if the email already exists, we'll get the message like email already exists. Okay, and it can be load the page. So if it does not uh, here, if it does not exist, it can be written as false condition. Okay, this is how we'll check the duplications. Okay. So this is how we will check the duplications. So just you need what we need to do means you just delete one row. Okay. So just you go to the customer registration, and here, okay, here something we missed. Hmm. Here, you just give the same email. Okay. So whatever we have given in the before email, so give the same email and password. Okay. So you just sub register. Here we'll find like email already exists. Means the same email should not be registered again. The customer only can register with their email only once. Okay, so this is how we will avoid the duplications. So it can be checks like this by this code. Okay, so this is the duplications of the customer registration. And next, let's go to the forget password and all. Okay, so just a minute. So today, let's learn how forgot password with the OTP works in the Django. Okay, so this is the similar to the real applications like Gmail, Instagram, banking apps, Amazon. So when a user forgets password, user enters email, system sends OTP, user verifies that OTP, and user sets the new password. This is how we'll do the forgot password process. So this process is called OTP verification. So before going to this process, first of all, what we'll need to do means we just do our two-step verification. Okay, to send a mail. Okay, to send a mail. To send the OTP to our mails, we should do the two-step verification. So how we'll do that two-step verification means you just open the Google account. Okay, so just open the Google account. So let me show how should you do. Okay, and here we have manage your Google account, right? So click on that, and here we have the security and sign in. Click this. Here we have two-step verification, right? So you just click on this and enter your passwords. Okay, email password. Next, you just turn on the two-step verification. Okay, done. You just come back again. Here we have the search, right? So in this search, we need to do app password. We just open this. Here you create one app, whatever it may be. I'm creating like demo project. Create. So this is our password. Okay. So just copy it, and you just paste in your notepad. So next what you need to do means, so before uh, going to forget password, we need to do one thing. So just open the settings.py. Here what you'll, just a minute. So this is the code to send the emails to our uh, the OTP to our emails. Okay, so here we have some another email. So you just you just enter your emails. So please place this all these in the from this default from email to the host password. From this to this you need to write in the settings.py. So you just need to do here you just write the your email. Okay. Here also you need to do write your email only. So whatever we took the password from the two-step verification, you just copy this and paste in this password. So this is how we'll write the two-step. We'll do this two-step verification, and we need to write that entire password and emails in the settings like this. So after this, what we'll need to do means we just create the models first to to write the to create the table we need to write the models. Okay, so here what I'm going to tell means like if the user if the customer forgets their password. Okay, so in real time we have like Instagram, right? So in Instagram what we'll do, if we forgot the password, what we'll do, we'll go to the forgot password, and also we'll enter the email, and in for our emails the OTP will be comes, right? So just we are copying that OTP and we are pasting to in the verify OTP page, and after completion of the verify OTP we can also create the new password. So that is what we are doing here. Okay, so here now what we should do means first we have to create one model. Okay, so how we'll create the model means first I'm taking the model name as password. Just a minute. Password reset OTP. I'm taking the table name as like this. Models dot model. And in this, what we have to do, I'm taking user models dot one to one field. User means customer. Star on next I'm taking the OTP. Models, Fairfield, Max length 6 I'm taking. Created and models by date time field. Um, so now going to So this is how we'll write the password OTP, reset OTP. So first here we used like user equal to models 1 to fit. So this is because of here only one user can have only one OTP, right? So for that purpose, we used one-to-one field. Okay, one customer and one OTP. And here OTP equal to models that careful means it can be stores the OTP in 6 digits. So here we gave max length as 6, right? So for that purpose, it can be stores the OTP in the 6 digits. Okay. So next we have created date and time field. So it is because it can be stores OTP creation time and it can be useful for OTP expiry and security purpose. And generate OTP means random 6 digit OTP is generated like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that and 7, 8, 9, 2, 4, 5 like that. Randomly the OTP can be 6 digit OTP can be generated. So this is how we'll write the model for the forget password. Okay. So means reset OTP. Okay. So next what we'll do means we just create the forget password template HTML and reset password HTML, and also the verify OTP HTML pages, and we should also write the logics for that. So today let's understand these topics, like how we'll do two-step verification and how we'll do the duplications for the registrations and all. So tomorrow let's see like how we'll do the password reset password and also forget password and verify OTP. Okay, so then thank you, bye.